Hello guys. This is the cooler fan that I bought online, and it has some LED light and with remote, and it's 132 cm diameter. It's really perfect for what I need. I don't need to drill a hole in my wall, so I really like to have a remote. So So here I got scissors, and now we're gonna try to open the box, which I'm so excited about. Now I can see the manual instructions. Which you would tell me if all the parts are in here in the box. And there's a wiring diagram. And it tells you where to start first. So here's the fan blades. It's plastic. Here's the metal long rod, which is I'm gonna use. That's the one what you needed for the long rod metal. This is all the bolts. So here's the metal bracket that you're gonna first to install in your ceiling. And the short metal rod, I'm not gonna use it. So, here comes my baby. Hello, Chanel. She wants to play with me now. Okay, I think this is all the cover for your wirings, so it looks neat and tidy. So the bottom and on the top one, that's what you needed. Also, this is the motor of the fan, which is quite heavy when you lift it. It's metal. This is the heavy piece of the fan, and it's an LED light that you can see. So it looks cool. I'm very impressed with that. So this is the box where the receiver and remote controls inside. Yep, this is it. And it has included a battery, AAA battery. And that's the remote, which is so cool. And the manual for remote. You can see this is the cover for the light, and it's glass. Now we are trying to put them together. First, I got this drill to undo the bolts. Actually, it's 2 bolts. Then I'm gonna put this long rod, this long metal rod for what I needed. got this pin that goes inside of the metal rod just to be stable probably, and a pin in the end, and I'm gonna try to push it. Now it's in, which as you can see, and now I'm gonna put it back, these two bolts. Be sure it was stable and hardly move the metal rod. Now I'm gonna put the cover for the bottom one. And then the next one is the top cover. And now this round plastic that goes on top of this rod. But then I have to put this pin. First we have to put it down. This plastic bits. And then you can push it up again, the round black. Now it goes there, and then I have to put 2 screws back in. Now it's time to put this metal bracket. Well, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when you put them on top of your ceiling. Just imagine this metal bracket already on your wall, on your ceiling, like this, and the receiver should go in the middle of your metal bracket. So now these 3 wires is pretty straightforward to connect to the 3 wires of your receiver. This white is your antenna. This blue and brown are going in here for a clean and tidy wirings, and then the other side will be your wiring of from your house. And this yellow and green are pretty straightforward. Put them together. Like that, and I think that's it. You can start putting them in your ceiling. So now I'm gonna put my ceiling blinds, but then if you see these holes, I've already undo the cover for them. This will be what you're gonna use to put all the screws for your ceiling blinds. It's plastic, so I'm gonna take it off the cover. So now it's ready to put inside of these holes. So now I already put the one blind, and I have to get a screws. It needs a 3 screws per blades. So I'm gonna drill. Each of them. I installed the 3 lights, but then I left one so you can easily work in your wirings. And of course, you have a lot of room to work around with it. So thank you for watching, everybody, and I hope you want to watch my part 2, my DIY installing a ceiling fan. Don't forget to hit a button of subscribe, like, and leave some comments if you have questions. Thank you. Bye.